I have brought in 9 boxes and a tub full of yarn that we're going to put in the yarn room. Yarn room, yarn room, yarn room. They all say yarn room. I'm very excited and I cannot wait to see all of this yarn that's in these boxes in my yarn room. Here's another view of my yarn room. My husband has put up my lights, and you'll notice that I have 2 computers. One is for filming and one is for editing. I normally have an office and a yarn room, but I decided to combine the 2 even though the room is smaller. But don't worry, we're going to build our own house and I'll have a nice new office and yarn room that'll be big enough for all my stuff. All right, let's get pecking yarn, or should I say unpacking. We're in the yarn room. My shelves are just about empty. I have unloaded 1 box and we have 9 more boxes of yarn to fit in these shelves. Woohoo! I'm so excited! Well, hey everyone, I'm Sara, Elisabeth, and Calleigh. This is my crew today, and we got most of the yarn done. We're still missing 1 box, but I'll find it this week. So, what do you think?
There's more.
Don't worry, there's more, and I'll be having lots of giveaways. So, this is Sara Sach.
Oh.
Elisabeth Spivey, my daughter.
It's a long week.
And Calleigh, my granddaughter. And we were the yarn crew today. See you later.